Hi everybody, it's Renee from Wanna Scrap, and I'm here today to share with you some beautiful layered snowflakes that are so fun and easy to make. And all it takes is using some, Dollar Tree snowflakes here, little glass ones, or acrylic ones, I mean. I had this foam set from a few years ago. I've still got tons left. And one of the snowflakes also I had taken apart that I bought from the Dollar Tree. So this is a piece of it, and I just used some bling and some pearls, and I just think they're gorgeous. I'm gonna be hanging them up on my patio window. I'm thinking that's where I'm gonna put them. And yeah, it's just layering them up. Like this is a bigger one. There's 2 layers, 3 layers, 4, 5, and then the pearl is 6 layers. So yeah, you can just have fun playing with them. They look gorgeous. And then I had gotten these other wooden ones, and I'll insert the picture here. And I just shared a bit of a process there of what I went through. And this is how they ended up. Again, is just some more layering. I just used one of the snowflakes. This is a Dollar Tree deer head. These jumbo snowflakes were from the Dollarama. You might be able to get them too. I think they're more in the foam style though at the Dollar Tree. But these ones were wooden. And this is the snowflake that I had taken apart from the Dollar Tree. And then there's this one with the cardinal. And I had gotten this peace sign last year. So anytime I see these kind of ornaments at the Dollar Tree, I pick them up because you never know what project you can use them on. So this will really make a beautiful set of 3 when I use them in my decor. So I hope you enjoyed this and my kind of mini DIY, and thanks for watching everybody. Have a good day. Bye for now.